Hi, I'm Megan with Lionel, and today I'm going to show you quick tips on how to install peel and stick lights. Today I'm going to be using a peel and stick LED. These instructions also apply to peel and stick bulbs. The only difference between LEDs and the bulbs are that the bulbs can be controlled with a variable voltage on your transformer that makes it so your bulb can be dimmer or brighter depending on the voltage. Our peel and stick lights come with 3M adhesive on the back of the bulb for easy installation on your accessory. It also features a red hot wire and a black ground wire. To install, peel off the backing on the peel and stick light and affix it to your accessory. Make sure to leave enough wire so you have room to go back to your track or power supply. Peel and stick lights can be wired directly to your track. The red wire goes to your center rail and the black wire goes to your outside rail. For easy installation, these can be wired to the underside of your track using soldering from your center rail and your outside rail in 2 different positions. For installation where you don't wire it directly to the track and have a variable voltage transformer, you can install to the accessory side of something like a CW80 or GW180. The hot wire goes to the red, the ground wire goes to the black. Peel and stick lights are great for accessories that don't come with lighting or can be used to enhance lighting in existing accessories. Thanks so much for joining us today. Hope this helps. Happy railroading.